Hello YouTube, Johnny B here with another unboxing video. There's some pretty good stuff in here. Out of here. A couple holders. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. Set that to the side back there. Is there more? Uh-oh. What's that? All right, here we go. Got quite a bit of stuff here, a little bit of stuff. I placed an order with apmex. I don't know, about a week ago, week and a half before the price really shot up. And see what we got here. Okay. See, I got $1 face value of, I believe these are Mercury dimes. Yep. $1 face, some Mercury dimes. Circulated. Set those there. And also purchased 2 kangaroos. I didn't have any of these. And these were a little bit, these were like a couple bucks cheaper than the Eagles or the Maple Leafs. So I didn't have any kangaroos. It's my first ones. That's pretty cool. Got it with the magnifying glass. $20.20. Let's see if we can find the other one. Here it is. These are both 2020s, I think. Okay, this is the, wait a second. Alright, I ordered one of these commemoratives too. It already came in a capsule, so that was a little bit cheaper too, but it's 90% silver. That's cool. Alright. Where'd the kangaroo go? Here it is. Here's the other kangaroo. I think this is a 2020 as well. I forget if I ordered random years or not. Yeah. 2020. Commemorative. Alright. Okay, we'll do these here. Or a couple graded Silver Eagles in 6.9 condition. Is 2003. Yeah. That's a little better year, 2003. 6.9. That's cool. 2003. Let's see which one this is. Let's see what year this is. I doubt they'd send anything earlier than a 2000. Oops. Got her backwards. 03. Okay. 2003s. Look at that luster. Okay. And last but not least, of course, I've been on a piece dollar buying spree here this past 4 weeks, 6 weeks. $1923, that one's pretty rough. Open. That was a little better. Ooh. $23. You know, silver's really been on a tear here pretty much. Moving north, along with gold too. Something big is about to happen in the financial system, I think. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice for a coal piece dollar. Doesn't appear to look like anybody has cleaned this, but I don't know. It's a better looking one. Ooh, this one's got a big brown mark on it. $1926 with a giant brown mark on it. Oh, wow, that one's worn down. $1922. Boy, that one's bought some shots of red eye. All right, some piece dollars. A couple kangaroos. Cool little commemorative. This was pretty affordable, but it's 1 ounce of silver. So, and a couple 2003 Eagles, 6.9 condition. All right, it's a pretty good haul. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. And we'll see you guys later. Take care.